New board, new life. And here is the owner of the board that is trying to fix it. We got a lot of job to do. What's up, guys? So we started a new project. Here is a board. Was like we bought for 20 pounds. It was really destroyed. So we started to take off all the broken part, and we're gonna try to see if we can fix it. That's the boss. He bought the board. So yeah, I will put some pictures right now about how was the board, and like this. So anyway, we'll see how we can go ahead and fix it. There's a lot of parts destroyed, but the top is pretty good. The deck is pretty good. So we wanted just to fix the nose, and the bottom. Let's see how it goes. So okay guys, we're done with the sanding. Now we'll do it here. Let it dry, and tomorrow we're gonna fill up the little holes and fix fix the nose here. So here, as you can see, we are filling up the spaces that the board is missing the foam with this refilling material, which is pretty good because you can put it on and then afterwards you can sand it and make it smooth and nice and give the shape that you want. Because of the severe damage of the board, we had to add the filling material in many places and sometimes multiple layers on the same place because it was not enough just one. It sticks really well to himself, so you can add as many layers as you want. After that, we sand it down with the sander and also with the sandpaper by hands to make sure it was completely, flush to the board surfaces. So as you can see, we got plenty patches. We'll see what's gonna come out. I'm not sure. So we cover all the bottom. The front, the nose is all covered. So we're gonna try this thing. Green here, Spanish flag here. So we'll see what's coming out. So this type of fixing is kind of new for me because I never fixed boards with colors. And because we paid this board really few, we wanted just to make it fun, and put some colors in the raising. And you'll see what is coming out with a lot of colors and a lot of patches. I mean, you might not like it, but at least we had fun with colors. So as soon as we dropped the color on the board, we realized that it was kind of transparent and you could see the fixing material underneath because it's really white. So we added a little bit of orange, tried to cover it up, but it didn't work much. So again, I would not recommend to fix a board with patches with color. We were just doing this for fun. So when you have patches, of course, you don't know where the color is gonna go because it's not like to cover, to glass the whole board, you know. So yeah, don't copy this at home. So later we added more red to the nose just to make it like red and not transparent red. And it worked, thank God. So the colors are really random actually, but if you think, those are the colors you see at the beach. The blue of the sky and the water, the green of the palm trees, and the sunset colors. Being Spanish, my friend decided to draw a bull on the other side of the board